Okay, so I'm back at this oil boiler today. It's actually a swimming pool Certikin boiler, oil boiler. I was here last week because the pump had failed, it seized up, so I've just changed that for UPS3 last week. And also the photocell had failed, so the boiler wasn't lighting. Anyway, sorted that, but come back here today because that figure on there is meant to represent the pool temperature when it's standing. So you can set your temperature, change this dial. This is in Fahrenheit. So 76 is what they want it at. So let's leave it 70. Oh shit. Let's leave it 76. The fault was this boiler was basically boiling the pool. The pool would be steaming away. And the reason for it was the PCB had failed. It was reading the temperature in this probe here, which is the swimming pool heat exchanger. When the boiler runs, it runs through this, goes through that, and the pool water passes through it at the same time, and then that's what gives the pool its heat. The display on the screen when I got here was showing 35 Fahrenheit, which is freezing basically. So when they fired it up, it would keep going, the pool would kettle over. So change the PCB, already done it, jumped the gun. That's the old one, looks absolutely fine, but the readings are off. As soon as I plugged the new one in, the readings instantly matched. 81 there, and if we take you through to the swimming pool, you can use one of these. This is a Fluke. It's basically an infrared temperature sensor. So when you hold it down, you can see there at the pool. Let's get right down to the water. So that's a solar cover, so it'll be slightly different. Hold it on there. I've got 80.8 Fahrenheit. So that marries up. You can also do it here. You can do it in the pump basket. It's a little bit different, 80.4. So that's what obviously circulates the pool through these pipes, back to these pipes, through this heat exchanger, and then should read exactly the same. This little probe just pulls out of here. Bit of thermal paste on it, which I've just added some more just to give it a better heat transfer. But yeah, all good. Swimming pool boiler won't be a sauna anymore.